Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from IQ option to your bank account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is to head on over to iqoption.com/trade room and sign into your account. Now, once you sign into your account, I want to go ahead and click onto your account or hover over. And now we've got the option to withdraw funds. So now on the next page, this is where we're going to have the option to withdraw funds. And there's a few different ways how we can withdraw. So if this is the first time we are withdrawing, so you're going to have one free withdrawal per calendar month. The number of commission free withdrawals will be automatically counted at the beginning of the next month. So as you can see, there's 4 different ways. So if you want to do a bank transfer, we can choose that, or we can do Nutella, PayPal, or Skrill, and basically go ahead and choose which withdrawal method you want to use, and then from there you're going to have the option to withdraw. Now on this account it says my balance is 0, but if you got money in there, you can withdraw those funds.